Hey there! Here's my next announcement of upcoming events. The next upcoming event is API Days London, happening in September 13th, 14th in London, UK. The topic of this event is API for smarter platforms and business processes. So if you're interested in APIs, how to build API platforms, how to support your processes with APIs, that's a great place to go. As one special thing at this event, we'll have our first official OAI Track, meaning a track organized and hosted by the OpenAPI initiative, where we will focus exclusively around topics around the specification, what to do with the specification, how to use it well, how to use tooling with the specification, basically how to better manage your API processes, so to speak. And I'm really excited about this. If you can't make it to London, we will also have OAI Tracks at API Days Melbourne in Australia and API Days Paris in France later this year. But of course, I hope that you will make it to London. Once again, the event is September 13th, 14th. I will post the link to the event and to the OAI Track in the description of this video. If you still want to submit something, if you want to talk about anything about OpenAPI, let us know. Maybe we can squeeze you in. I am really looking forward to this event and to our first ever OAI Track. So I hope to see you in London. Bye and have a good time.